Hello everybody, welcome to Visual Learning Portal where visuality conveys best. Today we are going to do trigonometric values. So I have already explained you this in my previous video. Let's go through quickly. All quadrants, like all positive values of sine, cos and tan in this quadrant, which is the first quadrant. In the second quadrant we have only the sine value is positive, cos and tan is negative. In the third quadrant we have tan is positive because it's t in here, and sine and cos is negative. And if we have written C for the fourth quadrant, that means we having the cos value positive and other two negative. And now I have already explained how to fill this table with the help of 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. How we can remember to write this table. No need to cram this one. You have a particular way of writing this table. So you can check my previous video if you want to learn this one. So on behalf of these two tables, we are going to find the exact value of the following. So we have sine 8 pi by 3 and cos 9 pi by 4. First of all, we are going to do the first question in which we have to find the exact value of sine 8 pi by 3. And for this one, as you have already know that pi is 180 degree. So pi value is 180 degree, and for this one you can write this sine 8 into, at place of pi you can write 180 degree divided by 3, and this will be equals to sine. When you are going to find the exact value of this, you can divide this as like that. Like we can divide the value, it is 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18, and this 0 degree. Then 60 degree into 8, if you do, you get the value in here. So when you multiply 60 into 8, you will get 480. Because 8 6 are 48, so 0 will be there. So sine 480 degree you got. Now you need to check sine 480 is in which quadrant. So let's check for that one. So come to here. So these are the four quadrants, and we can find that we know that this is 90 degree. And the linear angle which is this, which is 180 degree, and the angle which is starting from here going till here is 270 degree, and the whole angle is 360 degree. And if we are going to talk about the angle which is 480 degree, that's gonna come in the second quadrant, which is this quadrant. So in the second quadrant, that 480 degree angle will be there. So, and we are talking about sine, and we know that sine value is positive in here, and we always write the angle like 180 degree minus theta, which is equal to positive sine theta for the angle which lies in the second quadrant. So we can write that sine is positive, so you can write positive, and it lies in the second quadrant. So we got two things, second quadrant and the angle is positive. So also you can write for that one is equal to, and the angle which is 480 degree, and you need to make a linear angle to the quadrant, that will comes to 540 degree. So you can write this for as 540 degree, and you need to take away from 540 to 80 degree, you will get the value 60 degree. So 540 take away 60 gives you 480. So you need to figure it out for this one, like, because why it is 540 I have put, you know that if it is still 360 degree, you're gonna add 90 degree in 360 degree. Then after that add more 90 degree in 360 degree, you will get the angle which is 540 degree till here, which is the linear angle. Okay, that's why it comes in the second quadrant. What we did, you're gonna add 360 degree. If you add 360 degree, and you're gonna add 90 degree in here, because this is a right angle. So you're gonna find it is 0, 9 plus 6 gives you, you're gonna add this value, you're gonna get 15, 4. So this is a 450 degree in here. So 360 degree plus this. So means we have, you can maybe mention it like that. So this angle is, if it is going a second round, that will gives you 450 degree. And if you again add a 90 degree in this one, so you're gonna get 14 and 5, which is 540 degree. So that's why in the second quadrant we have mentioned, because it is 480 degree is less than 540 degree, you can write this 540 degree take away 60 degree. Okay, and this can be written as sine 60 degree because this is in the second quadrant, that's why the value is positive. Okay, we got sine 60 and you need to now check the value of sine 60. Sine is here, 60 degree is here, find the value. It's root 3 by 2. So you can write for this one is under root of 3 by 2. Okay, this is the exact value, but still if you want to go further, under root 3 is 1.732 divided by 2 you're gonna do, and if you divide this value you will get 0.86 something, 866. You can round that figure as well, so in the same way you can find the other values, or you can leave your answer here. That is also the exact value of the sine 8 pi by 3. Okay, similar way we can do this one as well. Cos 9 pi by 4. First step, cos 9 pi is 180 degree divided by 4, that will equals to cos. You can take the value, you can cut this value, you will get the value of the cos which is equals to 405 degree. Okay, so our next step is we need to check where is the value of 405 lies, in which quadrant basically. So is that more than, so 405 we're gonna check. So 450 is still here, so means that is in the first quadrant. So in the first quadrant means more than 360 degree but less than 450 degree, which we have find till here. Okay, so 405 lies in the first quadrant. We are talking about the cos, and cos is positive in here. So you can write for this one, it is in the first quadrant and it is positive value. Okay, so now it's time to write this as cos 450 degree is still here, take away 45 degree. If you take away 450, take away 45, that will give you the exact 405. Okay, so 450 take away 45 is 405. This can be written as cos 45 degree, and cos 45 is positive in the first quadrant. Time to find the value of cos 45 degrees here, which is 1 over under root 2. So you can write the value in here. This is equals to 1 over root 2. Or you can also write this as 1.141. If you divide 1 over root 2 with the help of the calculator, if you're not going to use the calculator, then also you can find this is 1.14 and the value will become out to be 0.07, and this value will be 707, not 07, 0.707. Okay, so this is the value which you will get, or if you leave the answer 1 over root 2, that will be the exact value as well. Now let's do two more questions. We have tan 23 pi by 6. Seems like very hard, but it's not hard. It's like 23 is a big number. Yes, it is a big number, but still you can simplify that. You're going to write tan 23 pi is 180 degree divided by 6. You can easily cut that value. 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18. So you're going to multiply 23 into 3 and after that add 0 in there. So you can write this for here, which is equal to tan 690 degree. 690 degree you will get for this one. If you're going to multiply 23 into 3, you're going to check 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 and 0 will carry over there. So tan 690 degree. Now you need to check tan 690 lies in which quadrant. So let's check 690 degree. So we're going to check for this one. It lies in the fourth quadrant because till here the angle is 720 degree. So 720 degrees is the angle. If we talk about the 2 pi angle, that is 720 degrees. So 720 degree angle is here. So what you're going to do for this one, 720 degree, you can see that tan is negative in here. So we're going to write for this one, tan in the fourth quadrant and it having a negative value. So you can write for this one, this is equals to tan 720 degree, take away. So 690, 720, what's the difference? 30 degree. So you're going to write 30 degree in here. Okay, tan 720 take away 30, that can be written as tan 30 degree. but this is negative tan 30 degree because in the fourth quadrant tan is negative. Okay, if you miss the negative sign, the answer will be wrong. Yeah, I have already explained you why this is negative, because in the fourth quadrant the tan value is negative. Just remember the table. If you remember the table, it will be really easy for you to learn the values. Learn all the quadrants. Okay, so this will be equals to negative. So tan 30, you're going to find the value from here. Tan is here, 30 degrees here, which is 1 over root 3. So you're going to write 1 over root 3, 1 over under root of 3. So this is the exact value of this one. Or also you can find the value by putting 1.732 for this one, which is minus 1 over 1.732, which is under root 3. If you divide it, you will get the value. Now for tan 6 pi by 7, you can write for this one as well. Tan 6 into pi is 180 degree divided by 7, and you will get a decimal answer. You need to divide 6 into 180 degree divided by 7. You will get a decimal answer which will comes up something, it is 154.28. So 154.28, you can write it for this one. And now it's time to check in which quadrant this tan lie. 154. So we are in the quadrants section. So 154. This is 180. So definitely 154 will lie more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. So lies in the second quadrant. And in the second quadrant, tan is negative. So you're going to write for this one. Tan is negative. Tan will be negative in the second quadrant. So in the second quadrant. So means we're going to write this for like that. Tan 180 degree. So you're going to, if you take away from 180, my 154.28, you will get 25.72. Okay, so tan 180 degree minus 25.72, because this is the angle which they are making. So you can find for this one, that will be equals to negative, because tan is negative in the second quadrant. So this can be written as tan 25.72. So now how to find the value of this one? So this value of negative tan 25.72 normally we can find with the help of the log books, in which we have all the values of these ones. And also we can find the value with the help of the calculator, which will comes up to 0.481. Okay, so minus will be there because it's in the second quadrant, and tan 25.72 is 0.481. And also you can find with the help of the calculator for this value, or for this, otherwise it's lie 25 points. So basically it lies between 0 and 30 degree, because this is less than 30 degree angle. It comes in between these values. Okay, so in this way you can find all these values of the sine, cos and tan by changing it from the radian to the degrees. Once you get the degree, check with the quadrants, check if it is positive or negative, and after that find the exact value of this one. Thanks for watching Visual Learning Portal.
Any questions? Comment below and we'll respond as soon as possible. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to be notified when we release new content. We'll keep posting as much as we can. Thanks for watching.